Alright, Macho Warriors. Tonight, we're gonna draw El Gutso Grande from Yokai Watch 3. I love this show. El Gutso Grande is basically El Gutso's evolved form, and he's a pro when it comes to wrestling. This song is from Walking with Dinosaurs, and I'm proud that I got to draw this guy.
Shoulder, they're only gonna make you drown. We all swing high, we all swing low. We all got secrets people don't know. We all got dreams we can't let go. We wanna be brave, don't be afraid, no.
Alexa, what does it mean to be macho?
As an adjective, macho can have a couple meanings. 1. Having or characterized by qualities considered manly, especially when manifested in an assertive, self-conscious, or dominating way. 2. Having a strong or exaggerated sense of power or the right to dominate.
Don't worry, folks. We're gonna finish this design with gusto. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, what is a patasaurus?
A patasaurus is a genus of herbivorous sauropod dinosaur that lived in North America during the late Jurassic period. Othniel Charles Marsh described and named the first known species, A. ajax, in 1877, and a second species, A. louisi, was discovered and named by William H. Holland in 1916.
Now we draw the fire.
Live like a warrior.
Alexa, what is gusto?
Gusto is usually defined as hearty or keen enjoyment, as in eating or drinking, or in action or speech in general. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for gusto.
One time we went to this restaurant out in Massapequa, and well, I thought it was okay. Their food, not exactly half bad. That's where I got the inspiration to draw my next episode. But I've learned from my mistakes that you should let the past go and continue on what you're doing today. Even if you have to start over, you have to keep moving forward. I learned that the hard way, but now I'm gonna take it long and easy, and nothing's gonna happen to my footage. I'm gonna be super careful and not lose it again. And tonight, I'm gonna take a shower. I got this song from Walking with Dinosaurs. Alexa, what is Pachyrhinosaurus?
Pachyrhinosaurus is an extinct genus of centrosaurine ceratopsid dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period of North America. The first examples were discovered by Charles M. Sternberg in Alberta, Canada in 1946 and named in 1950. Over a dozen partial skulls and a large assortment of other fossils from various species have been found in Alberta and Alaska. Did that answer your question?
Yes, it did.
Thanks for the feedback.
Alexa, what is Pachyrhinosaurus?
Pachyrhinosaurus
Alexa,
is an
stop.
extinct
Alexa, what is Centrosaurus?
This might answer your question. Centrosaurus is a genus of herbivorous ceratopsian dinosaurs from the late Cretaceous of Canada. Their remains have been found in the Dinosaur Park Formation,
I wish there'd
dating
be
from
a
76.5
Canadian
to
museum.
75.5 million years ago.
There we go.
Tired and you don't know why, but you're never gonna go back. Only
That's how you draw El Gutso Grande! That's my last episode for the night. But don't worry, I still got more on the way. To find out more on how to draw more Mexican yokai, let me know which character you want me to draw next. And you can check out the Yokai Watch playlist. Anyway, that's all for now. Please like your walk and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. And get macho!